If you want to fix this orange or yellow screen issue on OPPO Reno 15, what you can do is you can go to settings. Next, in settings, we're gonna proceed to the display and brightness options, and then in here go to the eye care. And here we can find two options, and one or the other can be the reason why your screen is so orange or yellow. So any of these eye protection options can be the reason why the screen turns so yellowish. So you want to probably check if they are enabled, or in the case of the custom eye protection mode, you can adjust the filter and you can choose how strong it should be. What you can also do in addition to that is you can go to the screen color mode, and over here you can, for example, switch the color palette. So you might want to use, let's say, natural or vivid option. And also we have the screen color temperature, which we can adjust in here if needed. So you can tap on a default in order to make sure that you use proper white colors over here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.